Hi there! Well, today I'm going to try and achieve another 40 before 40 item, which is to try skiing. I've never been skiing. This is a very last minute thing. I only booked this yesterday, and it's a taster session at my local ski centre. And I have no idea how much I'm going to be able to film. It's about a 45-minute lesson. I'm here a little bit early just to make sure I can get kitted out.
With ski boots and a kicky beret.
If I can film any of it, then I certainly will. If not, then you'll just have to take my word for it. But we'll see how we go. Right, let's get on inside and get kitted up. My local ski centre is called Snow Tracks, and it's close to Bournemouth Airport. I was able to book online and had a taster session for £9. I think this was a very good price given that I was provided with boots, skis, helmet and an instructor for 45 minutes. How do I look? Don't think that fits properly. My head, I don't know. My boots. Good old snazzy in my boots. Got my skis. Let's give it a try, shall we? After meeting our instructor, we walked down this very steep hill and on to the training ramp. I was very happy to see that it was very shallow, especially as I was a complete beginner. Oh, get me, guys. I'm on the skis, flipping it. This is a lot of work. Doing the shimmy. 53-point turns, not 3-point turns. Alright, here we go. Going on the ramp for the first time. Right. Hey! On the ramp. I was concentrating so much I kept forgetting to get the camera out until I was at the bottom of the hill, so sorry I don't have a huge amount of me actually skiing. But I tell you what, if you want a workout for your lower legs, this is absolutely the way to go. My legs were ruined the next day. There's a little pullback. Hey! This is hot. It's hot work. You know, it's mostly adrenaline, I think, and also these boots and skis are a bit heavy to manoeuvre about, but it's really good. I'm enjoying it. Doing well so far, as far as I know. I haven't fallen over yet, so that's a good sign. I can't switch, I'm going one way or the other and that's it. I've decided. Oh, here we go. I did it! That was a nice taster. Really, really good. Tried to transition from one leg to another. Can't do it yet, more practice required, but I enjoyed it.
A few moments later.
Wow, that was really nice. 45 minutes, but absolute basics, but really enjoyed it. I'm absolutely shattered now. Oh, it's a little bit different. I didn't fall over once, so I'm really happy with myself about that, pleased with myself. The instructor was happy, so that's good. That's me in my ski gear. And that is another 40 before 40 complete tick. Thank you very much for joining me on my little adventure to try skiing for the first time. If you'd like to see more from Just Pick One or follow my 40 before 40 adventures, then do subscribe to the channel where there is more to be seen. Please do give it a thumbs up, and until next time!